Hello, my name is Wally and welcome to Wally's Sound Adventures. Today we're at the corner of University and Dale in St. Paul, and we're going to take an adventure down to the Union Depot in downtown St. Paul. I invite you to come along and enjoy a ride on the rails. So let's get ready to go. Oh, but wait a minute. We've got to do one more thing before we go. Now we're ready, and I hope you're ready to enjoy it from my perspective. Let's go and have a good trip. First, we got to go ahead and get across University Avenue. Oh, here we go. Okay, now it's time to get the ticket to ride the train. So let's...
Welcome to Metro Transit. To purchase full local fare ticket, press A. To purchase persons with disabilities ticket, press C. Would you like a receipt? If no, amount due is 75 cents. Please, amount due processing. Please wait. For your purchase, please pick up your ticket.
There, now we got the ticket. Now we'll just go find a spot on the platform to wait for the train.
An eastbound Green Line train to downtown St. Paul is arriving on track number 2.
Well, here comes the train, and now comes the fun of when the train stops, I have to try to find the door before the train pulls away. And that can always be somewhat of a challenge, but let's give it the best shot we can.
Allow persons with disabilities and seniors to use designated seats.
Found a seat, ready to go. So let's enjoy the trip on the light rail.
Station.
Yeah, we're about halfway there. Pretty uneventful trip so far.
The next station is the final stop for this train.
And that will be the Union Depot. And the one trick about this stop is you don't know which side of the platform they're going to stop on, so you have to really pay attention to which doors open up to get off. Okay, this one. Here we go. Well, we made it. Looks like we're here. Hope you had a good, enjoyable trip. Thanks for coming along on the first of one of Wally's sound travel analogs. And I hope to take you again sometime on some other new adventure in sound. I hope it opened up a new experience for you. And remember to always keep listening. And the biggest thing, enjoy every moment you can. Thanks for coming again, and we'll catch you around soon. Bye-bye.